So for the materials, we have two Arduinos, which is this one and this one. Okay, as well as two Bluetooth shields there and over there. One Mobot, which is this one, and lastly a joystick shield. Okay. Since the soft serial is incompatible with Arduino, you would need to manipulate pin 6 and pin 7. Okay, therefore, pin 6 should be connected to the RX port of the Bluetooth shield, and pin 7 should be connected to the TX port of the Bluetooth shield. RX is the receiver and TX is the transmitter. This, by the way, is the main loop of the Bluetooth code. Basically, in this part, we are setting the pins onto the specific buttons, as well as setting the input as either a high voltage or a low voltage. So we have here the main routine of our program, and since the slave only accepts integer inputs, we then therefore set the output of the master to integers, as you can see here. So if we are going to open the serial monitor, these are the things that we could probably find there. Now let's try to open the serial monitor. When button up is pressed, it outputs this. When button right is pressed, this is what happens. And when button down is pressed, this is the effect. Now lastly, when we press the left button, that would be the effect. Okay, so this port actually reads the digital input of each button. The following initializes and setups the Mobot. The void loop function is the main routine used in this specific program. Instead of using the usual if-else scenario, we would be using the switch case. The function cmdl is the one that commands the motors.